Real estate decisions are some of the biggest financial decisions you'll make in your lifetime, and most people make them without a clear picture of what they're actually navigating. The market conditions, the negotiating leverage, the timing, the trade-offs that don't show up in a listing description. That gap between what people know and what they need to know is what this channel is built to close. I'm Jefferson Akin, Managing Broker and Realtor with Castle Homes Northwest at Premier Property Group, serving Clark and Cowlitz County homeowners and buyers in Southwest Washington. Whether you're buying your first home, relocating to our community, selling one home to buy another, or stepping into your first investment property, my job is to make sure you understand what you're deciding before you have to decide it. Calm guidance, deep market knowledge, straight answers. Right now, the channel is focused on Home to Home Southwest Washington, a series built for homeowners who need to sell one home and buy another at the same time. It's one of the most common situations Clark and Cowlitz County homeowners face, and one of the most complex to navigate without the right information. Every episode addresses a specific question that homeowners in this situation actually ask, and there's more on the way. If you're making a real estate decision in Clark or Cowlitz County and you want to understand it before you're in the middle of it, subscribe. New content posts every week. And if you're already thinking about selling one home to buy another, the complete guide and a free checklist are at the link in the description. I'm Jefferson Akin. When you're ready to talk through your situation, I'm here.